Hey everyone, welcome to Clickfix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to run multiple Roblox accounts on the same PC at the same time. This method is simple to set up, works with most Roblox games, and lets you open multiple game windows without any complicated steps. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you only download software from trusted and official sources. There are many fake tools online that claim to support multiple Roblox accounts, but may put your account or computer at risk. To stay safe, always use legitimate downloads. The first step is to open your preferred web browser. Then, open the download link provided in the description below. This will take you to the official page where you can download the application needed for this tutorial. Once you're on the website, locate the Windows download option and click on it. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. After that, open the downloaded file and follow the installation instructions to install the application on your computer. When the installation is complete, launch the application. On the main screen, you'll notice several available tools and features. These are optional, so you don't need to configure them for this tutorial. Next, navigate to the Bootstrapper section and open the Integrations tab. Here you'll find an option that allows multiple Roblox instances to run simultaneously. Turn this option on. Before continuing, make sure every Roblox window is completely closed. If Roblox is already running, close all of its windows first. Once everything is closed, enable the Multiple Instances option. When the status changes to active, the feature is ready to use. Now open Roblox and sign in to your first Roblox account. Once you're logged in, open the game you want to play and click the play button. Wait for the game to launch completely. Next, open a different web browser or use a separate browser profile and sign in with your second Roblox account. Open the game you want to play and click the play button, with each running in its own separate window. You can repeat the same process if you want to open even more accounts, depending on your computer's hardware resources. If your PC starts slowing down while running several accounts, simply reduce the number of open Roblox windows to improve performance. And that's it. That's how you can run multiple Roblox accounts on a single PC. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.